Hey, Daddy. I'm gonna be outside cleaning your truck. I'm gonna need you to stay inside for a bit while I'm getting that done.
What?
Just stay inside while I'm cleaning your truck.
Whatever.
So I took the Bronco out. We're going to be replacing what he has up here. Only allows him to have his phone and his GoPro. And we're going to replace it with the 67 Designs Bronco rail. So to take off what he originally had, we're going to be taking off the main screw here with an Allen wrench. Alright, to install the Bronco rail, first we have to put these side supports on it. You can either screw them into your dash or just have them on. We're just gonna have them on. So here's the Bronco rail itself. You just want to put it up here in the middle. Make sure it's even. And then to install it, you want to use this attachment. Has Bronco rail by 67 Designs, and you want to slide it. Have it meet in the middle.
Ensure this was in its spot. There are little divots in the dash that you want to have these in so it's not rocky.
So you don't want to tighten it down till you have everything else installed before you actually tighten it down for your final assembly. Alright, so we have these ball joints here, and we're going to be using these to attach our accessories. You want to slide it in using this part, and your arm, which you're attaching your whatever to, attaches to this. Bronco rail comes with 3. We're going to be using 2 today. We have 3 pieces made by 67 Designs. First, we have this longer arm clamp, the 2 balls on the side. Then we have this adapter. One ball is bigger than the other to attach our ram attachment to it, because it comes with a 1-inch ball instead of the standard size ball. Then we have the ball joint that has 67 Designs on it. And here's our attachment from RAM. This RAM comes with the 1-inch ball, as you can see, a bit bigger than the standard. And this is what we're going to be using to attach our tablet.
have a GoPro mount for the other ball joint, and the GoPro screw is not supplied by 67. You do have to supply that yourself. So let's attach this up there. Okay, so here we have everything running. We have the iPad along with the touchscreen. I think that's a good touch, you know. And then here's everything we have attached. It's very maneuverable. Then we have the GoPro mount. I can turn it anywhere I want. Very maneuverable, like I said. And I'm pretty sure my father is going to appreciate that he has a lot more driving room. It's not just stuck in one place in the center. You're able to move everything side to side and have whatever he wants on the side panel. Ready.
This is really, really nice. You make me have to let you take the car all the time.